G'day, my name's Peter Montgomery and I'm here with Patrick Hanrahan from JHK Legal, who are one of Australia's leading commercial law firms. And we're discussing today why it's so important for business owners just like you to have terms and conditions of trade in place to protect your business. So Pat, in your opinion, can you tell us why it's so important for business owners to have terms of trade in place?
Yeah, Peter. Whenever you're providing goods and services and you're not being paid up front, there's a risk that you might not get paid. It's really important that there are terms and conditions in writing that have been agreed to so that you can protect your business. At the end of the day, businesses around Australia need to step back and ask themselves, is there a risk that I'm not going to get paid?
So it's kind of like the bank, like they give a line of credit, they're going to put a set of terms and conditions in place to make sure they're going to get their money. So is it a similar situation for business owners?
Absolutely. Business owners need to, like the banks, put in place terms and conditions in writing so that they can protect themselves.
Okay, can you give us some examples for the people watching now of some of the important areas that they need to make sure that they're covered in?
Of course. Terms and trade obviously need to cover off the payment terms, governing when they're going to get paid. There's also a number of other clauses that also need to be covered. You've got default clauses. Often there's obviously consequences for default. These need to be outlined, and there's also interest that could be charged on top. They also need to cover clauses such as warranties, risk clauses, and they also need to be up to date with the latest legislative reforms. An example of that are the latest Privacy Act reforms.
Okay, so for some of the people now, they might have a business and they've left themselves unprotected, they're exposed. What do they need to do next?
Look, we recommend that they give the guys at EC Credit Control a call. They're experts in setting up terms of trade for small and medium businesses around Australia. Give them a call.